everybody.
Hi.
And welcome back to our channel.
Yeah.
You will never believe it. We are finally going to do our last Backstage Collection subscription box.
Ever.
Ever.
Last one ever.
So,
I'm going to say that now because that's what I'm putting on the thumbnail for clickbait. But I'm going to say it here so you don't think you're getting clickbaited.
But it's true. It is ever.
It is, yeah. Forever.
So what happened was, this was supposed to be the April box, I believe?
Yes.
March or April?
I think it was April.
April.
Yeah.
But it got back ordered.
It was we waited.
We didn't get it until the end of May.
Yeah.
And then we found out that they were no longer continuing the Backstage Collection subscription.
And that was a bummer because this was a really cool subscription. I mean, I don't know if you guys remember some of our previous vlogs, but I mean, just take a look at these. You know, we got our pins here.
Yeah, we're trying to cool more from it. Yeah, right? But now it's gonna be just boop, one more.
Yeah. But this was a really cool collection, so it's kind of disappointing that they stopped it. But it's such a cool collection, so we've been excited to do this. We just haven't done it in like a year.
Yeah, it's pretty close to a year because it is February.
Mm-hmm.
So
that's bad on us.
Right.
No, it's, we've been so busy, we just haven't had time to vlog much.
Right. We did an update video, so make sure you check that out, and then you'll kind of see where our life has been this crazy pandemic year.
Yeah.
But here's to a better 2021.
Right? Things are gonna be great.
Right. So anyway, should we get to it?
Let's do it. Let's break this thing open, see what we got here.
Kids aren't here, so I don't have a safety scissors. They won't
I am a little worried. I got emergency on speed dial here with her and scissors.
Yeah. One time, was it the scissors? No, it was the regular scissors. I was cutting and my finger was there.
Right?
Excuse me. Sorry, it's really dry. Wisconsin weather.
Yeah, so we're just getting over this whole -20, -30 thing. And, ooh. No way, is it?
Yes.
Dude, that's awesome. Check it out.
Emperor's New Groove.
That is so cool.
Oh my god, this is one of our favorite movies.
Yeah, such an underrated movie, but so funny.
Such an underrated movie.
Pull the lever, Kronk.
Pull it.
Not that lever.
Wrong lever.
No, this is very awesome.
Good movie.
Yeah, so Backstage Collection 8. Awesome.
Right, I'm like, I pulled it out and I saw Yzma, I'm like,
yeah, I'm like,
no,
what is this? No. Well, so these look like almost like original drawings, kind of. That's just kind of neat, right? Which,
my plea, I posted this on Instagram a while ago, and all of you that voted also agreed with me. Move the launch bay over to Galaxy's Edge and bring back the animation courtyard.
Yes.
This is the stuff I love to look at at Disneyland, or Disney World, my bad.
Oh.
Ouch. There's a big one. Sorry, at MGM. It'll always be MGM, not Hollywood. But anyway, this is what Hollywood was based on, was this kind of stuff. And oh my gosh, I love these old drawings. Isn't that awesome?
That is so cool.
Yes. So anyway, we should start a petition to get the animation courtyard back.
Yes. Agreed.
Because on our Disney Moon, oh my gosh, we had so much fun watching through there and all the old drawings and like the concept art.
We used to see a lot of that too, because that's where we saw our first like different version of Stitch, where he was like a dragon or something.
Yeah, like a symbol.
That was so crazy. But you kind of love seeing those initial drawings. Very cool stuff. So.
It was so cool. And then we never did the class because I can't draw. He can, but I can't. But again, twice we have missed the art class because they moved it over to Animal Kingdom. Yeah, Rafiki, we just haven't done it. But we will. But ready?
Let's see.
You ready for this?
Should
I do? What do you want me to do? Should I just pull a t-shirt first and do t-shirt?
Rip the band-aid off. Just pull it off. Let's see what we all got here.
Okay.
Come on.
I'm ripping. I'm ripping.
When I said rip the band-aid off, then.
Whee! That kind of failed.
Kind of static.
Yeah. Rubber band.
Duh.
That failed too.
See, you gotta have different. What do you call it?
Right here.
See, it's wrap around the pinky, right around the thumb, make it, and then you know. Whoa! That was awesome.
Oh, I'm really sad. We didn't get a card.
There's no card?
No. Oh, I think I did get an email about that. That they weren't sending a card with the last box.
Oh, that's right.
And that's really sad because I would have loved to know so much about this movie. But oh my goodness, this t-shirt is awesome!
Oh, that is cool. I like that.
Oh, can you see? I got a...
That's cool.
Yep,
that's really
that's
cool.
from the restaurant.
Yeah.
I'll do close up again as I normally do. But here, look at it. It's got a little cool Emperor's New Groove thing down here.
So cool.
Or just the Just whatever the calligraphy.
Yeah, so yeah, on the inside of the collar, there's the calligraphy kind of signage.
Like you know from the time era?
You know, like Aztec Mayan kind of stuff.
Yeah, and then the back's got a sketch.
Yeah.
When they were trying to walk their way up through the wall.
Very cool.
So that is a cool t-shirt. Oh my gosh, I'm excited to wear this one.
I mean, these t-shirts were really cool t-shirts. It's been so much fun getting these.
Yeah, I gotta admit, the t-shirts are awesome to have. I have a whole collection in my drawer, like my Disney drawer t-shirt collection, like bombarded or skyrocketed because of these. Yeah,
they're so cool. I do miss the card.
I know.
So the cards too. The problem is trying to sneak a square card in this round tube.
Yeah, a lot of them bent.
A lot of them did bend. A lot of them. We had one that was completely broken in half, where we had to fix that.
Yeah, we glued it, and I think there was a lot of the other ones. I'm trying to look up there where the art collection is. It's hard to see. We don't have the camera up there, but they all came bent. And that one, Kinley, I felt so bad. We kind of got mad at her. We shouldn't have, but she just kind of like this and totally broke in half.
Right.
But
so
we fixed it. It's all good.
Yeah, we were able to get, and then I was able to on like our pictures of taken stuff. I was able to fix it in Photoshop, so it looks new on photos anyway.
Right, so that part looks good.
But yeah, that was the only bad thing, is the square thing in the round tube. So
yeah. Okay, you do the pin.
Okay, let's do the pin. So these pins are just completely awesome pins, because you're not going to find these in the parks, I don't believe.
No, you can, which is really cool. So I really like them.
Yeah. So if you have they all said that on the backstage?
Yep. Yeah. So backstage
anyway, all right. So we have. Oh, we have a
Kronk as the angel.
Yep, and then there is the evil Kronk as well, or devil.
Oh, I didn't see that around him.
Yep,
That's the border.
Right there is the border. So very cool. She'll focus in on it, but and like I was saying before, the back of these pins, which is very cool because it does say Walt Disney Animation Studios Backstage. So these are like legit the Backstage Collection Backstage pins. Very cool. From a place called China. I don't know why there's an E at the end of this one. But anyway, no, these are awesome pins. Love these pins. Love the shirts. Love it. I'm really gonna miss this. I mean, I think maybe that's why we held off so long, because we didn't want this to be over with. I think so.
I mean, I probably had a lot to do with it. I mean, if I would have known though that this was Emperor's New Groove, maybe I wouldn't have held off.
This is too cool though. This whole.
We should really watch it tonight now.
We should.
After WandaVision.
Oh, that's right. It's WandaVision tonight.
Yeah, WandaVision night.
So how cool is this, right?
It is. Yeah, I guess it's a good send off of this collection with awesome movie.
But again, another super awesome pin, a super awesome shirt. I got a kick out of evil or devil Kronk and angel Kronk. And like, well, hold on, he does have a point, you know. So
what was that meme we legit last night?
Yes, we saw that last night. What was that?
Oh, I don't remember both of them, but it was good.
Yeah.
But so now I'm sad that it's over.
But this was again still such a fun collection. I'm so happy we did it.
Me too.
We were able to get the first one with the Disney Brothers.
Oh, I love that one.
Window pane pin is probably one of my favorite pins of all time yet.
Right, and the Haunted Mansion, and we have Galaxy's Edge.
So again, it's
yeah, I'll do a close up of all the pins again. So we had Star Wars, Galaxy's Edge. We had Fantasia. Haunted Mansion.
Yep.
Oh, what was that one? Oh, Three Caballeros.
Oh, it's upside down. Yeah, Three Caballeros. Caballeros, get it right. It's with a Y.
I can't say it. I'm sorry.
3 L's is a Y.
3 L's or those 2 L's?
Is it 2 L's?
I don't have 3 L's in there.
You
and I can't spell.
I can't do the rumble thing. That's why there's so many L's.
Toy Story 4. And then obviously the first one with the Disney Brothers window pin. But I'll do a close up of all our pins when we put this guy on there.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's the last Backstage collection ever. I'm very sad. But again, I love the original drawings. Like I said, that's why I think I really like this.
Yeah.
Because it has a lot of history, and I love Disney history. I love I love the concept, how they brainstorm to do the concept and how they come up with this stuff.
It's very cool.
One of my favorite things of all time.
Yeah, like I said, I wish this one would have ended. I think they could have really done a lot more with this.
Yeah, for sure. I wonder if the pandemic and stuff had things to do with it. I don't know.
It probably, because a lot of companies were shutting down, when they were, I mean, whoever produces a lot of this stuff, they may have shut down their plants, wherever it came from.
Right. Just, kind of, put a shutdown on a lot of things. But
and maybe there wasn't that much interest in it either, unfortunately.
That could be. That would be sad, because I think it's really cool, but oh well. What are you going to do? I guess we just have to wait to see what else comes out.
We thoroughly enjoyed the Backstage collection. Had a lot of fun. This was the last ever opening of a Backstage collection.
I think I might cry. There's a tear coming.
I'm thankful that we did get these.
I know, me too. I'm very glad we did.
I think we have something that's completely separate than what a lot of people
it's a really cool. I mean, granted, it's only 8 pins, 8 pin collection. 8 pins. That again, unless you have this collection, you're never gonna get them, or if people sell them on eBay. That's the other reason. But yeah, this would be something cool we can pass down to the girls.
4, 5, 6. We only have 7. We have 7 pins. But we have 8 boxes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, guys, there's only 7.
So this is release 8.
8. So where's release 7?
Right. We just totally unlocked a mystery here.
I wonder what happened to 7.
Stay tuned.
Right. There might be a part 2 to this, a follow-up to what happened to
Part
release
7.
number 7. I'm really intrigued. I'm going to have to go back on the account.
Right.
I'm going to have to do some Googling.
Okay, again, stay tuned. More to come.
Maybe
Plus, she's got to do the close-ups.
But until then,
thank the Phoenicians.
For more Disney content, check out these other great videos. And don't forget to like and subscribe.